It look like tuba.
Tuba, yes, tuba. Cheers.
Cheers.
Back together.
Okay, guys, nagpa-harvest yung asawa ko ng tubo or sugar cane. So ito, anim yung kinuha nila. So ginawa namin ng juice, pero dinala yun sa labas kasi wala kaming juicer. Ito, at ito yung ano niya, yung juice. So dalawang bottle na ganito yung dala. So na-surprise ako kasi ang dami niyang juice. Ano lang, kinuha nila anim. So, sa isang ganito, tatlong peraso na ganito. So, hindi siya tumaas ganito lang. So, meron next. So, ito yung gusto namin ginagawang juice. It's almost 3.5 liter.
We already have some.
Yeah, we already drink one. Yeah, you give me some.
Yeah, for all of us.
Yeah? So, we have one more bottle. Really?
It's 4 liter.
Oh, close to 4 liter for 6. Like this, a lot of juice. So yun dinala namin sa labas kasi wala tayong juicer. So dito sa Bangladesh, ginawa nila tong juice. Makikita nyo sa labas, maraming ganito. Tapos meron silang machine na piniga.
It's cracked. We don't have to cut it. Just
really?
It's cracked from the
bottom. That's why I didn't say any cut. Like last time we cut it.
Yeah, because we didn't know.
So Shaun did it, right?
Yeah, from the bottom.
Oh yeah, I saw one.
And then I planted a few more.
Where?
Here, 3 places.
Really? So it will be all sugar cane.
Yeah, it looks good.
Yeah.
It's beautiful. Yeah.
But this time where? I didn't say anything. This one? Where?
It's covered.
Oh really? So nagtanim daw siya dito pero wala akong nakita. Nasa ilalim. Oh, meron tayong capsicum.
Yeah. 2 of them.
So, nagtanim pa siya dito. So, you trim the small one?
Yeah, the root. This is for Mamun experimenting.
Yeah, this one for his cousin.
So, we will have...
In the future, it will be all sugar cane here.
I will show you something.
So, this time, di kami nagtanim ng mga vegetables, not like some drink, this one.
Okay, let me...
Did Mamun had?
Yeah, no, we'll have 3 of us.
It look like tuba.
Tuba, yes, tuba.
I don't know, in Philippines we do like this. Usually we just make it sugar, but I didn't.
Yeah, we'll also make sugar.
Okay.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Back together.
Sarap niya. Last time nung pumunta ko dito, nagkuha lang ako ng isa tapos pinapak ko. Kasi ito mas masarap siya. I want more. Can I have some more? Yeah, I like it this than that we buy sometimes in the outside. You know?
Some more.
Did you give Kaya?
Yeah. No, let's finish it.
Yeah, give to Mamun.
Mamun has it.
Yeah?
Mamun, ada ba?
Alpo.
Enough.
So, basin natin to. Sarap niya. Refreshing.
It's so sweet.
Sweet and I like
Remember,
it.
not like the one that we
Yeah,
bought.
but you always buy, but we
Just like,
couldn't finish it.
It's like tastes like sugar. It tastes like they put some sugar in it.
Exactly. Maybe because it's white, it's not same color. So good. Refreshing. Yes, thank you for watching. Bye bye.